Students, we will do question number 2 also today, because I think कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हो जाना चाहिए आज, ठीक है। और फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 जो है वो मैं आप लोगों को होमवर्क दूंगी. दैट मीन्स यू आर हैविंग Friday, Saturday and Sunday. No, Saturday and Sunday in your hand. So you can do question number 3 on that day. Yes or no? So we will do question number 2 today. Now subtraction is same as what you have done in case of addition. जैसे अगर subtraction यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, so as we know कि अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं होता है तो आप एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं कर. अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं होते हैं तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मेक द डिनोमिनेटर सेम, देन ओनली वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट और ऐड. यस और नो? एंड वन मोर थिंग, दैट in case of subtraction, whenever from is given, so whatever number is after from, that number will come first. That means in this case you will write 1 upon 3 first, then minus 3 upon 4. Okay, so let's start doing question number 2, subtraction. Now our first question is subtract 3 upon 4 from 1 upon 3. This is your exercise 4D. 4D question number 1 you will do. Okay, I have given you answer. Now today now we are doing question number 2, subtract. First question is 3 upon 4 from 1 upon 3. So I will write 1 upon 3 first, because in case of subtraction, after from whatever number is given, that will come first. So 1 upon 3 I will write first, then minus sign, and then 3 upon 4. Now our denominators are not same, so we will make them same by finding out the LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 12 है, you can find it out here. 3, 4, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, 3 1 जा 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 will be 12. That means in the denominator 12 must come. So 1 upon 3 minus 3 upon 4. 3 into 4, 1 into 4, 4 into 3, 3 into 3. So 4 1 ja 4, 12 minus 9 upon 12. Now my denominators are same, so I will write it once, and in the numerator I will write 4 minus 9. Now 4 minus 9 will be 5. 5 upon 12 will be your answer. But sign of the greater number will come, that is minus sign. So your answer will be minus 5 upon 12. So in this way you will do all the question. Now see second question. Second is minus 5 upon 6 from 1 upon 3. So I will write 1 upon 3 first, then minus, and then minus 5 upon 6. Okay. Now my next step will be finding out LCM. LCM of 3 and 6 will be 6. How? You can find it out here. 2 3 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. 2 into 3 will be 6. So 1 upon 3 minus 5 upon 6. 3 into 2, 1 into 2, 2 upon 6 minus 5 upon 6. Now your denominators are same, so can we write ones? Yes. And 2 minus into minus will become plus. So 2 plus 5 will be 7. 7 upon 6 will be your answer. 7 upon 6. Is it clear? Now third question is minus 8 upon 9 from minus 3 upon 5. So I will write minus 3 upon 5 first, then minus, and then minus 8 upon 9. Now you will find out the LCM of 5 and 9 will be 45. आप LCM निकाल के देख सकते हो, 45 ही आएगा. 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3, 5 1 जा 5. So 3 into 3 into 5 will be 3 3 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45. That means in the denominator I have to make them 45. Minus 3 upon 5 minus 8 upon 9 into 5 into 5 and into 9 into 9. So minus 3 into 9 will be minus 27 upon 45 minus 8 into 5 will be 40 upon 45. Now my denominators are same, so I will write it once. Minus 27 plus 40. Minus into minus will become plus. So minus 27 plus 40 upon 45. Now 40 minus 27 will be 13. 13 upon 45. Now students, you will write down the sign of the greater number, that is plus sign. So 13 upon 45 will be your answer. Okay. Now next question is fourth. Fourth is minus 9 upon 7 from minus 1. So minus 1 I will write first, then again minus 9 upon 7. So this is very simple. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, 1 लिखेंगे. नाउ वी ऑल नो दैट द एलसीएम ऑफ 1 and 7 विल बी 7 ओनली. सो यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली LCM of 1 and 7 equals to 7. Now minus 1 upon 1 minus 9 upon 7. So 7 7. Now minus 7 upon 7 minus 9 upon 7. So here, now my denominators are same. So I will write minus 7, then minus 7 plus 9 upon 7. So 9 minus 7 will be 2. 2 upon 7. 2 upon 7 will be your answer. Okay. Then fifth question is minus 18 upon 11 from 1. So I will write 1 first. So 1 minus 18 upon 11. Now यहाँ पर 1 आ जाएगा and LCM of 1 and 11 will be. So 11 will be your LCM. 1 upon 1 into 11 and your 11 into 1. So your answer will be 11 म्हणजे 11 minus 18 upon 11. So 11 minus 18 will be minus 7 upon 11. This will be your answer. Okay. Now students, instead of question number 3, I am giving you question number 2 from question number 6 to 10 as homework. Okay. Don't do 6-1. 6-1 I will show you. You just do from 7th question. That is 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th will be your homework. Okay. And then question number 3 we will do on Monday. Thank you.